Hi, I'm Noah Grabill with Allied Machine and Engineering here at the Allied booth. I just want to talk to you guys about our tooling today. So most people know us for our spade blades. The original TA as well as Gen 2 is what we're most famous for, but we've expanded on the product line with the TA Pro. We've been able to bring it down from all the different geometries down to PK, M, and N. And those are all carbide substrates, but we still have the option of super cobalt in the new geometries, and that's in the X. We know that a lot of people still enjoy this. They need it for their less than rigid, less than ideal setups. This is a high penetration drill. We located it between our original TA and our high penetration drill, the Genesis XT Pro. So the Genesis is our high penetration. This is a fantastic drill, and again, it is in that PK, M, and N material classifications. Nice and easy. We can go to 12 times D on our highest penetration, the Genesis. We can go to 15 times D on TA Pro, and then we can go from stock 28 times D on our TAs. So moving on to our indexable carbide, we have our opening drill from 2 inches to 5.6 inches. This is a modular drill where you can take these cartridges and replace them if something happens where someone breaks the inserts and we burn them down. This is also expandable to 200 thou per series. And then this is for lower horsepower machines, high speed, low feed. And similarly, we have the Revolution drill, which this is a from solid drill. This goes from 1.8 inches to 4 inches. Again, modular, as well as expandable to 200 thou. Moving on to our next ICS drill is our Vortex. So this is a very nice little drill. It has the same inserts inboard and outboard, so you don't have to stock as many. It's a very tough drill, comes in PK, M, and N. We also have hardened material geometries. Moving on to our Apex. So this is a modular drill as well. If you need to replace the head, you can go from the Genesis, the high penetration drill, or the TA with 2 trigons on the outside. Then above 3 inches, we actually put carbide wear pads on the outside. We can go from 1.3 inches to 4 inches at 10 times D max. Moving on to our boring. We purchased Wallhopter a couple years ago. We've been very happy with the product line. We have anything from built-in digital to regular vernier. The built-in digital does have a micro glass scale inside. It's very, very accurate. We as well have the 3 EASTEC Plus. So this is a fantastic tool for the shops that have younger guys and older guys. You can throw this on here and you can go down to 50 millionths. It will change directions if you're on a vertical versus a horizontal, and you can take this tool and put it on to the next. All the information is stored in the head, not in the module. We go from 16 thousandths up to 128 inches in the Wallhopter brand. We've also came out with our 3 EASTEC cartridges. We can do this in a regular vernier, or you can have it so you can put your 3 EASTEC on it. You will need an adapter plate for that, which we of course sell. And then into our finishing lines, we have our reaming. This is Scami. They are from Italy. And then we also have roller burnishers, also built by Scami. And into our thread mills. Thread Mills USA, we purchased them as well quite a few years ago. We have coatings in TILN and AM210. These also have the T3. These are for deeper holes as well as harder materials up to 60 Rockwell. And we do that by tracing with the first and coming back and finishing with the 2 other teeth in this tool. These reamers are expandable, modular, so you can quick connect, take them off, and get going with the next project. Moving into some of our other products, here's some quick examples of what kind of insert forms we can do, as well as our AccuPort line. We can do AS5205, J1926 mil-spec, and SAE. That is right off the shelf. And we also have kits that you can get the tool, all of the inserts, and the thread mill, all is one, and it comes in a nice carrying case as well. This is our stealth drill for deep holes gun drilling replacements. As well as specials with Superion, we can do PCD brazed in for end mills, drills, reamers, as well as our regular solid carbides. And then of course, our specials, another example of the chrome guided. Thank you for stopping by the Allied booth.